Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable EIN mismatch fixes for 1099 reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable EIN mismatch fixes for 1099 reporting, start by logging into your tax software or accounting platform.
Navigate to the Settings or Account Management section.
Look for options related to tax reporting or 1099 forms.
Select the option for EIN management or mismatch detection. Enable the EIN mismatch fix feature. This may involve checking a box or toggling a switch. After enabling, save your changes to ensure they take effect. Next, locate your vendor or contractor information. Review the EINs recorded for each individual or business. If any mismatches are detected, the software will alert you. Take note of any reported discrepancies. Verify the correct EIN for each vendor or contractor.
You can typically find this information on Form W-9 or through direct contact.
Once verified, update the EIN in your system as needed. Save your updates to maintain accurate records. Run a report for 1099 recipients to check for any remaining mismatches.
If further issues arise, consult your software's help center or customer support. Ensure you're following all IRS guidelines for 1099 reporting. Review the completed forms before submission for accuracy. Finally, file your 1099s with the IRS once everything is correct.
This ensures compliance and minimizes any potential penalties.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.